Congress President Rahul Gandhi has written to chief ministers of Congress-run states as well as Congress coalition governments to challenge the Supreme Court order seeking eviction of over 10 lakh tribal and other forest dwellers. The Congress, in fact, talks about the court order was in response to a petition seeking eviction of those claimed to be forest dwellers and rejected under the Forest Rights Act. The order has sparked widespread concern, with activists claiming multiple flaws in the reasoning. Mariam here with us in the studio for more on this. I also want to bring out the Bhupesh Baghel's tweet about this, talking about this issue as well. But Mariam, tell us more about what exactly happened.
Yes, so Rahul Gandhi, the president of the All India Congress Committee, has written to the chief ministers of Congress government and as well as the Congress coalition governments, asking them to file a review petition against the Supreme Court order which would evict over 10 lakh forest dwellers. The Supreme Court on February 13th, if you remember, had issued an order asking states to evict forest dwellers whose claims had been rejected. This had amounted to over 10 lakh forest dwellers. In fact, the Ministry of Tribal Affairs internal report shows us that this number could be as high as even over 19 lakh forest dwellers. So Rahul Gandhi has in fact written this letter. We have the letter he's written to Kamal, Nath. Similar letters have been written to other chief ministers as well. It says that the recent order deserves your urgent intervention. The Ministry of Tribal Affairs has said that less than 45% of individual forest rights and 50% of community forest rights claims were approved as on April 2018. In fact, what he highlights here is that the Ministry of Tribal Affairs had pointed out that forest staff often raised frivolous objections leading to rejection. In this backdrop, eviction based on rejection claims alone without a proper review and appeal process violates the due process of the law. So he has asked the chief ministers to preempt the large-scale evictions, and to do that, he's asked them to file a review petition and take any other action you may deem fit. He says for millions of Adivasis and other forest dwellers, Jal, Jungle and Zameen is integral to their right to life guaranteed by a constitution.